This week in Grace's Girls Club, I want you to meet Michelle Williams. Now, she tackles challenges in both national security and in space exploration as the Director of Software Engineering at Qualis, LLC. But here's the thing, being an engineer wasn't always her calling.
So Qualis has been in the Huntsville area for over 30 years. We develop critical technologies at our Advanced Technical Center for National Security and Space Programs. As the Director of Software Engineering, my job is really to help my team create smart and useful software. It's really the brains behind the technology that we use every day. And, I use building a robot as an example. We've got teams who can build the arms and the legs, which are the mechanical parts of the robot. And then we've got teams who can do the eyes and the ears, which are the sensing part of the robots. And then, my team, we do the brain, which controls what the robot does.
So is a lot of what you do coming up with new software from the beginning, originating it, or are you also working on advancing some software that already exists?
It's a little bit of both. It really depends on what our customers need, what their missions require. Taking information and using it to design something new or redesign something old, like solving a puzzle or building from a blueprint or adding an addition from a blueprint. I actually didn't start out in engineering. I worked in banking for almost 10 years before I decided to become a software engineer at Calhoun. That took me a couple of years, and then I transferred to UAH, and then where I earned my bachelor's degree in computer science. I decided I was ready to do my master's, and I finished that up at Auburn University.
Well, Michelle, welcome to Grace's Girls Club. You can learn more about her role, and what she calls the importance of being able to reinvent yourself, all in her web-exclusive full interview, which can be found on our website at waytv.com/ggc. In studio with STEM coverage you can count on, morning meteorologist Grace Anello, Way 31 News.